Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you had a good week and that you will enjoy your weekend. Today, as usual, I am doing a live training for you to know how to improve your online visibility and how to basically get more direct bookings and increase your revenue. For those who don't know me, I am a marketing specialist for vacation rentals owners, so I help you have uh, as I said, increase your revenue, have more direct bookings through a better online visibility. And yesterday I asked you what was the most important, if you had one wish, what would it be? And a lot of you replied more direct bookings. So that's why I decided to do this live for you. And in fact, I will use three of you from the group as an example to show you what to do to have more direct bookings. They are you will see, I will share my screen. You will see that there is three things that you want to have that are not negotiable if you really want to grow your business and have direct bookings. Those are non-negotiable and also extra tips for you to check out. So let's dive into it right now and let's share my screen. So now we will start. So the first one, as an example, is someone, Sarah, who has a vacation rental by the Russian River in California. If you don't know her place, go check it out. I will anyway tag people in the post so that you know whose places they are, and so that you can, if you're traveling, support the community. So the first thing, you will see what I did. I put a keywords, as you know, I love keywords. I will advise you to check other videos that I did, but basically I check which keywords is bringing her the most views from her website, and it was using the keyword vacation rental Russian River, which in fact, Sarah, I would advise you to put on your website title, which I think you don't have, and also in your website and in the headlines and things like this to appear even higher in the research for this. So the first thing that you can see here is that and we will see for all of them, some website will always appear in the search. So you have to use those websites as a marketing tool. Of course, some of those websites will, like Airbnb, for instance, will take you a commission, but not being on those websites will lower your revenue. So it's good to have direct booking, and you will have, but you also have to use those other pages as a tool, a marketing tool, like you use social media. Those pages which have a lot of influence are good to be on. So as you see, for instance, Airbnb is very much predominant for this area. Then what you see here, and that's what I like, the extra tips that I was mentioning, is to check. First, you will see on the search, some will be your competitors, so of course you cannot list there, but some of them, I advise you to check each of them. If you don't know them, some of them will enable you to list on their website. And I think even for you, Sarah, I think it was you, I found one which was enabling you to list without any commission and any fee to register. So it can be interesting to list on the ones which are on the first page here, if they are not your competitors, of course. And check, so as I said, check what are the biggest listing for your area. So you see Airbnb is one, those are your competitors. Then here, what do you see here? What is here on the search? This is from Google. So this is very important. I did a live, I think a while ago, where a lot of you were not in the group, I think, and I will be sure to put the video link below this live. You have to create a Google My Business listing. Being on Google Maps will help you amazingly to have more direct bookings and also to give more credibility to people. So this is not difficult to do. This is quick to do. Then they will send you a card so that you check your address, and then that's it. You're listed there. As you see, like we will see from each three of you. But for any place, of course, Google, you're looking at Google, so of course Google is going to appear. So you want to list your business on Google. So that's one of the three things I would advise you to be on. Google. Google, list your business on Google My Business so that you appear on the map. The second one, and we can see here, and in fact, Sarah, you have done it, and a lot of you in the group have done it already, is having a website. As you see, like your competitors have website. If you want more direct bookings, you have no other choice than to have your website. For website, be sure to have the right keywords which will bring you traffic, and not only traffic, people who are going to look for information, but people who want to book a place, book, for instance, here, a vacation rental on the Russian River. Okay, so that's the second thing, second important thing. The third thing, which in fact doesn't appear, if I'm not mistaken, on, here, you see, it's appear on the first page as well, TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is also very important for you to be listing on. A lot of people are looking on TripAdvisor for everything. There are like a lot of visitors every day who are going to TripAdvisor, so listing there will give, again, credibility, trust from people, like you are listed on a platform which is very famous and which help you, again, to appear in the first page. And then, again, like you have to see those other listings. You see that HomeAway, we all know that in the US, especially HomeAway, VRBO, which is the same, are very present. So be sure to list there. In fact, until like not so long ago, I was not listing. I was only listing on Airbnb, and now I'm listing on HomeAway as well. Of course, it's not direct bookings, but to be on those direct platforms with your own name, then it will help you to like attract, as I said, like it's a marketing tool. People find you on those platforms, then they look on Google because people are smart. We all know that booking direct is better for them as well because they will save money, and they also like would like to support. Some would like to support small businesses, so they will look for you. So you have to be on those websites, have your own name, and then they look for you. So in fact, there are four like must-have. It's like your own name on those marketing tools platform, your website, being on Google My Business, and being on TripAdvisor. And you check who are like the ones appearing on the first page to see if you can list on those websites as well, if they are like, because usually there will be local websites. So this is interesting for you to list on because they will appear, they already have like kind of the traffic to appear on the first page of Google. So this will help you. And another thing, which is very important as well, here I put vacation rental Russian River. But if your place is targeting a niche, let's say pet friendly, dog friendly, hot tub. I know that Becky, you're like you're the third one to be that I will take as an example. You have a hot tub, so also check the Google search for those keywords and be sure to be on niche website for those keywords. They are like niche website for pet friendly places. So people who are looking for pet friendly accommodation, they will look on those websites. If, for instance, you're more like into eco friendly, there are websites like EcoBnB, for instance, or Fairbnb, where you can list as well, and you will target your ideal guest, and you will target people who are looking exactly for a place like yours. You will not be one in a sea of millions. You will be one in a pond, a small pond. So that's what's like lake. That's what's important. So this was for you, Sarah, and then I took Haley as an example. So for you, I checked, and you had one which was a keyword which was okay for your traffic, but it was very, very limited. So I took one which is a bit larger, which was holiday cottages, Lancashire. Some of this, as I said, some of these are competitors, so you cannot list on that, but it also gives you a good idea of what are people looking for. Like you see, like you have a luxury place, they put also luxury cottage here, your competitors on the ads, and they emphasize on the fact that they have a hot tub. And in fact, it seems, I'm not in the UK, but it seems that in the UK, it's something that is very much appreciated. So I would emphasize on this, and this gives you ideas, like to look at the Google search and to see what people. But then you see listing site. So here, holidayscottage.co.uk. Check what it costs and if it costs something to be listed on such website. Dillington Estate, I don't know, like check all of them to see what's good or not for you. Again, as I said, like you have the Google Maps, be sure to be there. This is not only for the person that I am talking about, I'm taking examples here, but I am like, this is for all of you to know what to do to get more direct bookings, like the must-haves. And as you see, like to be on Google My Business is very important. And check like the other listing site, have your own website, and be on TripAdvisor. Here, like let's see if you see again TripAdvisor. It's not the first one to appear, but it's there. And check the other one, like independent cottages, last minute cottages. Check the other one where you want to be listing, so that it gives you basically like more visibility. And then with your own name, they can find you in the search and for you to get more direct bookings and more revenue. And then the last one was Becky with your top brand, which also has a hot tub. So I would like make sure to emphasize on this point. And as you see, like for you, Haley, there was not like there were like a lot of listing site, but as we can see, none of the Airbnb, VRBO are on the first page, which is interesting. So maybe for you, the very important would be to list on those smaller listing sites, which are more local, to again like use as a marketing tool. Becky, for you, you have like again Airbnb holiday cottages, and which was also in the other one. Probably some competitors here. I will let you check. Again, Google My Business, so I cannot emphasize more on this. Sykes Cottage, which is of course a big one. And Gorgeous Cottages, so you check like each of them if you can list or not. HomeAway, so you see that for you, HomeAway is interesting as well. And here you don't have TripAdvisor, but anyway, like it's always good because there are so many people looking on TripAdvisor that I would really recommend you to do this search and to see where you could list and if it's free or not, if it's worth it or not, so that you have like more, you increase your direct bookings. So let's go back to the normal view. Okay, I will stop sharing my screen. So I hope this helped you today. And if you have any question about like how to get more direct bookings by having a better online visibility, feel free to send me a message or comment on this video, and I will be happy to reply to your questions. I wish you a lovely day. Enjoy your Saturday. Bye-bye.